Hello everybody, welcome back to the Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix speaker not working on your ZTE Blade V70 Vita. So first, what we want to do is we want to go over and open up settings. Now here in those settings, we want to go to sound and vibration, and we want to make sure that music, video and game here is boosted. Now, if you guys want to change the echo volume, then you need to go either here and press here to change it, or just call up somebody and see if that actually changes. Now, what you guys want to do next is simply rotate your phone here. Make sure to clean the speaker crew right here with a soft brush for an example. And what you guys want to do next is simply disable Bluetooth to make sure that audio is not being rerouted anywhere. So my Bluetooth is already turned off. You just go here and make sure that this switch goes from blue to gray. And after that, what you guys want to do is simply restart your phone. So to restart this phone, simply press and hold the power button. Now click restart and tap again to restart the device. Now it's restarting, so I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now after the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is check for software updates. So go over to settings and scroll down until you guys see the system, and in the system click on system update. Now allow here, and my software is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it. It's very important to keep up with the latest version. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.